today I'll be showing you the Tornado Killer. The Tornado Killer 1 tool. Also, I'm with a dog right now. And yeah, so this is the spikes right here, basically. Oh my gosh, whatever. Yeah. And I spent I think 49 minutes on this. Here are the rockets to, basically they're like probes, but fireworks basically. And these are the wheels, of course. And I'm gonna show you something real quick. So Melon Sandbox added this feature that they added they added I forgot what's called, but they added car seats. But I know this is not a car seat, this is not a car, but it's a Tornado Interceptor. And look, no, I'm gonna shut up. So basically they added this feature, they're getting, I don't know, honestly. Also, I'm gonna show you So, yeah, that's all basically. But I'll show you the spikes. And I also done a redo of this, but I didn't record because it sucked. And yeah, I forgot to take a picture. Also, this is my old Tornado Interceptor. It's basically the version of the Tornado Attack, but 2. Right here, basically. So, it was basically like those Melon Sandbox Tornado Intercept does. And here's all the spikes, which dig 2 feet into the ground, which can handle up to 170 miles per hour. Basically like the TIV 1 that handles, I think, 160 to 170. Also, I meant 260 on this thingy. So I don't know why I named it the Tornado Attack 2, even though it doesn't do much wind speeds. I just made my own little versions. Hold up. Copy. Sorry. Hold up. Sorry. Copy just my cousin's dog just climbed on me. He's also a mixed dog. I don't know, but yeah. Which this is the flash for you see in tornadoes, of course. And this is the recorder right there. And I think that's all. So see you later, guys. I go to school on the August 11th. Bye.